to you. Right next to you. Next to you. Right next to you. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and downtown love was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Kiss FM 105.5, 106.3. Brian, so want to hit your issue here for a second. I know you're calling in about messing up a tip somewhere. What happened?
So my girlfriend and I were getting something to eat, and you know how like they turn the thing around so you can tip? It's like an iPad looking thing.
Yes, the machine, you put your card in, they turn around, they got the choices, the options, yes.
Yes, and I meant to tip $10, but I accidentally hit the zero twice or something. Anyway, I tipped $100, and the bill was only $47. So I asked if I could redo it because I accidentally tipped too much, obviously, because it already went through. It was just a hassle, so they had to cancel it and everything. It just took a whole while to sort of fix.
Yeah.
Anyway, my girlfriend is so mad at me, and she said it was humiliating, and the server was mad at me. $147 for 2 sandwiches and salads. I'm sorry, but that's
What
not
did,
my
you end
budget.
up, what did you end up correcting the tip to be?
$10.
So I've been there and done that. She needs to not be so, I think, intense about this situation. If she is and little things like this bother her, that's a bigger, broader conversation we can have on Friday.
Oh no.
Yeah, I hope not. I hope that it's just kind of a one-off thing, and she's usually great about it, but I think because it was time and she felt just embarrassed
Yeah.
by it and all that. So
Like, I don't think you're in the wrong, but I appreciate you reaching out to us. Have a great week.
guys.
All right, bro. Happy summer.
Why come back Friday?
I was just giving him a week to be.
Oh,
let all
just
these
settle
things
it.
fester.
Okay.
Yeah. But the last show we do before the end of the week, so
Yeah.
remember, but it still has time to fester.
You're on air with Ryan Seacrest.
You know what time it is.